I didn't expect this, but I gained 5,000 real TikTok followers in 1 month.
Stop scrolling for 30 seconds. If your TikTok videos are getting views like 50 or 200 but no followers, then this method can help you. I tested a simple TikTok growth method using TT Boost. And today I'll show you everything: install, login, coin collection, placing a 50 followers order, and the final result.
First, go to the Play Store and search for TT Boost. Install the app. I already installed the app. It has over 1 million downloads and a good rating, so it's a trusted app. So I open it. The setup is simple, so even if you're a beginner, you can follow along easily. After opening the app, connect your TikTok username. You can copy your username from your TikTok profile and paste it here. Always check your username carefully before continuing. I copy my TikTok username and paste it here. No password needed, so it's totally safe. Now let's quickly review the store section. Here you can see different growth packages such as 200 followers around $3, 400 followers at around $5, and 900 followers at around $10. Besides, you can check others packages also. For this video, I'm going to test the followers option and place a small order of 50 followers. But before placing an order, we need coins. TT Boost works with a coin system, so I'll collect coins first by completing simple tasks inside the app. You can get free followers using that coins. Here's my first coin collection. I tap on follow. It opens TikTok. I complete the task. Then I come back to TT Boost and 5 credit received. Now I'm collecting coins for the second time. Same process. Complete the task properly. Return to the app, and the coins are added after verification. This is the strategy you should use to collect coins. Before placing an order, check. I have 5,019 TikTok followers. Now, as I have enough coins to place a small test order, I'm going to test 50 followers. Okay, the order is placed. Now I'll check the order status and wait for the result. You can see my order is 7% completed.
Now I will wait a few minutes to complete my order. And here is the result. The followers are received, small 50 followers order, and now my TikTok profile looks more active than before.
All these are real and organic followers, not bot or fake.
But remember, this method works best with good content. Use a strong hook, post consistently, keep videos short and interesting, and use TT Boost as an extra push for growth. Going viral on TikTok is not just luck. It's good content, smart timing, and the right starting push.